Hello children, today we are going to learn how to create charts in MS Excel. Charts are pictorial representation of a large amount of data in a worksheet, and they present the data in an attractive manner. Why do we create charts? They are easier to understand and they provide more accurate analysis of any information. There are many types of charts and there are different elements of a chart which we'll study and get to know while we create a chart. So we go to insert option. These are the different charts available. There are other charts as well. So you click on any of the type of chart that you want to create in your sheet. This is the chart. Automatically it is created. Now if you want to add a title, you can go to these three tabs. They become active whenever you create a chart. So you go to layout. You can take up any axis title. You can take horizontal axis title, that is the x-axis. Title below the axis, here you can write name, and similarly you can take up the vertical axis as well. Vertical axis, you can take it in rotated title. So here you can take marks. As you can see, it represents marks. And you can give the chart title above the chart. Here you can give the chart title as you can say marks, and rest you can just delete. So this is the way you can give the axis title, the chart title. The legends you can display. These are the legends. These are the legends which show what is the percentage of science, the maths, the English marks. So you can show the legend at right. Now it is at right. You can show it at top. You see the legend at top now, or you can show the legend at left. So whatever is requirement, right? Then you can change the style of the chart. You can take up any style. You can see the change in the chart style. It's the same type of chart, but the style has changed. Or you can go to change chart type. You can altogether change the type. I don't want this column chart. I want, maybe there are different types of charts. So here we can study. This is the column chart. Next one, this type of chart will be the line chart. Here we have got pie charts, bar charts, area charts, XY scatter charts, stock, surface, donut chart, rudder chart. So we take up any of the charts. You can say area chart, and area has also got subtypes. It's got 3D area and all these types, and you select any one of these and your chart will be changed to the type in which you selected. Then there are, this whole area is called the chart area. This whole area where we have included the chart is the chart area, and the actual area where the chart is plotted, it is the plot area inside. Then we have changing the type of chart we have done, resizing the chart. You just click on any empty part of the chart, and when you go to the corner of the chart, you get this double headed arrow. You can just drag it and resize the chart. And you can take this mouse pointer, the 4-headed arrow, you can just use this to drag the chart, to move the chart to some other location. You resize the chart from the corner, from the double-headed arrow, and you move the chart from this 4-headed arrow and place the chart anywhere in the sheet where you want. This is how you can resize and move the chart. Then changing the style, I've told you. There are different chart tools available in these 3 tabs. You can change the design, you can change the chart type, you can switch the mode to column and row, or you can change the styles over here. Layout, in which you can give the chart title, the axis titles, the legends I told you. You can display the data table along with in the chart area, or you can display the grid lines if you want. You can give minor, major. You can see these grid lines in between, so you can display more. I chose vertical, horizontal. Now I can take up minor as well, so you can see the minor horizontal grid lines over here. Then plot area, show plot area. So this is the plot area which you can see over here. Then is printing a chart. Then you can always go to right click on any area. You can go to format chart area, and here you can take up picture or text fill texture, and you can choose the texture whichever you want to fill in the plot area, and then you can choose any picture from any file or any clip art to take it as a background, and you will see that fill in the chart area, in the whole chart area. And whenever you want to print a chart, you will select the chart here, the whole chart. You select the whole chart, and then you go to file, print. This will print the chart for you.